Now turn to section 3. Section 3. In this section, you will hear a talk between a student and a professor. First, you have some time to look at questions 21 to 23. Now listen carefully and answer questions 21 to 23. Good afternoon, Professor George.
Good afternoon, Harper. Let's talk about your essay draft, okay?
Yes. Actually, Professor George, I just decided to change my essay topic to energy crisis.
Oh, I don't think you need to change the topic. You know, environmental protection is much better than that one.
Oh, really? I'm glad to hear that. In your mind, that's a good work?
Yes, I think so, but there is still lots of work that needs to be done.
Oh, yes, of course. I'm just very anxious to hear what you think of it.
Well, the first one. Which research methods will you take?
I'd like to use a questionnaire.
I don't think that's a good choice.
Why?
Because you will have lots of research data to check. That will be a huge work.
Yeah, I think you're right.
How about an interview?
OK, I will think about it. Professor George, I think I have a problem with the timetable.
You mean the deadline?
Yes, I'm afraid I can't hand in my work before the essay deadline.
Why?
You know, I have to spend a lot of time on my part-time job.
Harper, I don't think you've given me a good reason. You know, I can't postpone your deadline, except if you get an illness.
But Professor George,
This is our rule. I hope you can cope well with your timetable, okay?
OK. Now look at questions 24 to 30. Now listen to the tape and answer the questions 24 to 30.
Harper, generally speaking, your essay is good work, but I'm worried about some parts.
Yes, could you give me some suggestions about my work?
Well, let's start with the purpose. I think it is not bad. You represent your idea and the reason for this work, but
What should I do?
it's better for you to make them clearly. I mean to strengthen them.
OK, the purpose needs to be stronger. Oh, and what's your opinion about the structure?
I think your structure is very clear. I do really say, well done and go ahead.
Thanks very much. I'm so glad to hear that.
That's okay.
How about other problems with my essay?
How do you think your personal experiences as a background affects your work?
Oh, it is just my question. I'm not sure whether I should write them.
I can see why you put it here, but it really isn't relevant to your arguments. My advice on this is that you take them out.
I think you're right. Anything else?
No, just go ahead.
Yes. How about other requirements, such as format or something like that?
Well, let me see. Oh, yes, your way of handing it in.
I heard we must send our essays to you by email. Is that right?
Yes, that's right. Before your deadline, let me check. It is... Oh, here. It is on Friday, the 30th of October.
Right. I will hand in my essay on time.
Good. And you have to print your work by laser printer.
Why?
We will store all of our students' work, so good quality is very important.
OK. Oh, Professor George, should I do the proofreading before handing in my essay?
Yes, proofreading is necessary. You should check your grammar or spelling or format before handing in your work.
OK.
And your references. You must make your references clearly, and that's very important.
OK, I know. Thanks very much for your help, Professor George.
A pleasure. How about your presentation?
This is the end of section 3. You now have half a minute to check your answers.